Alright, so I got a product item for you. These are from Teslaunch. Okay, I already unboxed or unbagged a lot of it, but these are the center lug nut wheel cover thingies, whatever you want to call it. Alright, so center lug nut cover, I don't know. Alright, anyways, there's 4 of these. It has this little hole, so there's an instruction booklet here, but basically you line that up with the air valve. So here you can see the instructions. If you don't want to see this, you can obviously just fast forward over, but here you go. The original large wheel cup cap. Okay, so you won't be able to use this together obviously because the original wheel cover is going to go like through the center, so you have to remove the original one. Okay, Tesla didn't provide these yet, so we're still waiting for that. Right, here you go. It says to align the center cap with the center of the wheel hub, all right, and then make the little circle align with the tire valve stem as mentioned earlier. Okay, after alignment, you just firmly tap it in to snap it in, and then just like that, apply center cap emblem sticker. So you don't really need to put the center sticker. I don't know why you would need that. You can see it's already a circle there, but they tell you to put that little sticker on there. I don't know what's the point. Okay, install center caps for the other 3 wheels, same method, but basically just take the adhesive thing off and then stick it on. So I don't know what's the point of putting that because it doesn't have the emblem on it. If it had like the Tesla logo or something, then I would probably put those little circles on, but I don't think those circles add anything, right? It just looks like that, right? Center cap with metal ring and then center cap without logo. Anyways, let's go ahead and put this on. All right, so let's install this. I'm gonna zoom in. First you need to see the valve stem. So the valve stem is right there. Okay, so we're gonna have the little circle point that direction, but let's go ahead and zoom in so you can see better. There's the little dot. Again, we're gonna line that up with the valve stem. Okay, just line it up and push it in. It goes in super simple. All right, so that's how you get that in. How you get it out, that's another question. I'm assuming this little circle, okay, let me see here. So the package has 4 of these little covers, and then like I said, it came with the little center circle. So let's actually take a look at these, and it came with this little ring thing here. Okay, it's taped onto the bag on the outside of it, so let's take that out. Okay, I'm assuming that this tool is used to remove the center caps. They didn't put anything in the instructions on how to remove the center caps. The one thing I'm going to be sad about is it's probably going to scratch it up. So, but I'm assuming you have the hole there. You get this in, right? I'm assuming that's how you do it. Is that what it's for? You can see it's going through that hole. Okay, and now it's in there. And then I'm assuming you use that to help leverage and pull it out. But I feel like it's going to scratch it up. I don't know. That's what they gave me. So this was provided free. Eventually Tesla's going to give me the actual wheel covers that I plan to use. So I guess we'll do it as a learning experiment. So that's what it looks like. I've seen other wheel covers where it has more of that line effect. This one looks so round. I don't know. The design kind of makes it, in my opinion, it doesn't match the, what do you call, the squaredness of the original, but we'll see. I'll use them for a bit just to see. All right, let's go ahead and see if we can pop this off using this tool. So I'm gonna stick that there. Okay, and let's see if we can push that in. All right, and then I'm assuming we can use that so you can see it went sideways. And now can I pull this off? Oh my god, no. What if I rotate it? Oh man, this is tough to remove. I don't know. How am I going to remove this thing? I don't know how I'm going to remove these. Okay, if it's like all the other ones, you use like a flathead screwdriver. You can wrap it with some, what do you call, like electrical tape, and then get in there and pop it out. I'll have to figure that out once I get to that point. Because, yeah, I don't know. How am I going to... You see, normally you would need this ring to recompress itself to pop it out. But if you pull hard enough, because it's rounded, this edge, or curved, it should be able to slide and pop out. But the thing is, I can't get a good enough grip there, and using that tool isn't going to be good enough to, I don't know. Maybe it might be good enough and I'm just scared I'm going to break it. I don't know. Okay, get that in, rotate it, and let's try pull really hard. Oh, okay, yeah, it does work. Okay, so yes, this tool works to get this out. I don't know if you can see, it did get bent a little bit. All right, so yeah, you can use that's what this tool is for, to remove these. Okay, so it's nice they included a tool to do it so that you don't have to like scratch up your wheel. So I'm gonna put these on. It makes my wheel sound really echoey. You hear that? I don't know if you can hear that. When I talk, you can also hear it echoing there. Let's go to another wheel and see what it sounds like. Okay, here's another wheel. I'm talking into it. I don't hear that echoing. All right, the air valve is up, so we're gonna line that up. And hello? Yeah, now this makes the like echoey sound. Interesting. All right, I'm gonna do the other sides. You don't need to see that. I'm just gonna show you what it looks like with two of them. Hopefully you can actually see it in the dark here. But let's see, I have to stand far away because of the zoom. But there you go, that's what it looks like. I think it makes I think it turns the hexagonal or whatever lines, it makes them too muted. I would like if these were like sharper lines here, but maybe it will help with airflow. Anyways, okay, so we have these center covers that it comes with. You see, it wants you to stick these on like you would take off the adhesive and then stick that on, but I don't see the point. This makes this shinier, it doesn't match. I'm just gonna leave it as is. You can put these if you want. Maybe if you want, you can add like a Tesla logo to this. Also, this one looks a little dented, so I'm not gonna use those. You can if you want, obviously, but it's not a requirement. It doesn't really do anything. It does fill this little gap there a little bit better, but other than that, I don't think it makes sense to put that on unless you're adding something like a logo. So I'm gonna leave those off. You can add them if you want. Yeah, honestly, I don't feel it really adds anything. That little center cap is like metal. I don't know if it's like aluminum or what, but it is metal, so maybe it, I don't know. To me, there's no point adding that. I guess if you end up scratching the center part of it, then you end up just scratching that, and you can somehow peel that off, maybe using a suction cup or something. But for me, I feel like there's no point adding that. So that's pretty much it. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. Hopefully it helped you see what's available out there. I saw another person have one of these. Everybody has different preferences in terms of style and things like that. So just because I think I like the sharper look with the lines and everything, maybe you like this look. So don't take my opinion and use that as like, oh, I should get what you like. Get what you like. If you like this, go for it. All right. The one thing I do wish, again, like I said, is it had like the Tesla logo. Maybe the company's not allowed to put that, maybe because it's trademarked. So if they sell a logo, maybe they'll get in trouble. But other than that, it's pretty cool. All right, it is better than looking at the circle with the rust in it and the nuts, lug nuts. So yeah, there's that. All right, thanks for watching, and I'll see you all in the next one. I'll put a link in the description below, just like all my other stuff. And yeah, if you like the way it looks and you want these, give them a shot. Tesla is giving out or providing the wheel covers soon, or at least they sent me an email saying they will. I don't know how long or how soon is soon, because I've had this vehicle since mid-March, and now it's what, August, almost mid-August. So we'll see how long it takes them. And yeah, thanks for watching, and I'll see you all in the next one. Bye.